Good morning, Sam. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you yesterday, and as promised, here is your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick, go through your competitors' sites in this video, do a website audit, and show you personally what would be holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you would get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. If we go to a Google search for window replacement Virginia, for example, we can see that these people are running Google ads. Now, this is called the Map Pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics and the same thing. You want to be listed on the front page and ideally in the top 3 positions to really drive the most amount of traffic to your site. If we look at the top website here, we can see that it's a nice page here. Not a whole lot of content, but there's some. Now, Google loves content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. Now, this website probably has about 200 to 300 words on here. All right. It's really important to have a ton of content and beat out your competitors, but also have the keywords in there. And the keywords are the search terms, like window replacement Virginia, are things that people are searching for. All right, so let's talk about why they're listed first. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put their website into here so you can see what you're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. Now, a DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. And a UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These are generally raised by backlinks. We can see they have 686 overall backlinks. And these are the powerful backlinks. They have 58. Now, these refer to links that point back to your website. In Google's eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. A good example would be if a blog website wrote an article about window companies and listed your website URL as a company they recommended, that'd be giving you 1 backlink. I also want to call attention to their organic keywords. These are keywords within their content. For example, replacement windows, Virginia Beach. There's 150 people searching for that every month and they're in first place. Windows, Virginia Beach, 80 people searching for that. Again, they're in first. Vinyl windows, Virginia Beach, 40 people. Replacement windows, Norfolk, 40 people, right? So they're ranking a lot for Virginia Beach. However, there are other towns that they're ranking for. And there's a lot of areas. So Windows, Chesapeake, Virginia, okay? There's a lot of areas that you could rank for depending on what places you serve and what services you'd want to show up for. Now, if we take a look for your website URL, now I know your website isn't currently up, but sometimes this will still show data as what your website was at before it went down. You can see that your ratings were so low that unfortunately nothing shows up here. Well, in this video, we went over how you'd get yourself into that front page. 1, through the home page and how you'd have at least 1,500 words on there. 2, the UR and DR ratings and how we'd raise those numbers with backlinks. And 3, the backlinks your competition has and how to beat them out. By showing Google you have more authority. If you implemented these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you guys. If you like what you've seen here today, you can email me back or give me a phone call, and we can continue to look further into what you would need to get your website ranking to the top. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a great day.